Welcome to the DLA Piper TechLaw video series. My name is Kip Burden. I'm a partner in the London office and I co-chair our global technology sector. Today, we're delighted to have Hannah Fry with us. Hannah is a highly regarded academic and broadcaster regularly featuring on national TV and radio, including some prescient exploration of how diseases spread and pandemics can happen. What would you say were the key challenges for us associated with AI in particular?
I think that a lot of examples of technology, particularly in the last decade, have been about building something that works and then expecting the human to sort of fit in the background and be the emergency brake,
Mhm.
particularly in the case of driverless cars, where humans are literally the emergency brake. And I think that's not really a situation that's ever going to end well. Whereas I think that if instead you start with your human and you start with the things that the human can do and is good at, and the things that the human can't do and is deeply flawed at, and you create your technology to fit into the mistakes that humans make, I think you actually end up with a much better situation. So in the case of driverless cars, like having this sort of automatic guardianship rather than expecting to jump straight ahead to full automation. Or another really famous example that people have been arguing about a lot is that of judges and AI being used in the courtroom to try and make predictions about who will go on to commit another crime in future. And I think in that situation, if you create an AI and expect a human to catch all of its mistakes, it's just never really going to work that well. Whereas I think if you have the human in the driving seat and you've got an AI that's trying to highlight the inherent biases in the human, to highlight the inconsistencies in the human decisions, I think actually that's a much better potential partnership.